All right, today we're checking out this 6x8 shed. These are the two boxes that it comes from when it gets shipped to you. And I'll go ahead and open them up and I'll show you what's inside before I put it together. And when I do put it together, I will let you know how hard it is or how easy it was to assemble. Open this up. Looks like we got a bunch of metal rails in that one. And a bunch of other pieces in this one with the instructions. So I'll go ahead and I'll start assembling it, get it together, and I'll let you know my final thoughts. So here is the completed shed. You can see we got the door on the front here. We have these nice stainless steel hinges, which it locks in that position. Open it up, flip it to there, it locks it. So when you open it, and if the door closes, the pin can't slide back in to lock you in it. Hinges are nice and smooth and quiet. Assembly was pretty easy. The hardest part, I would probably say, is peeling off the protective layer on the steel on the outside. That was a pain, and it's like peeling saran wrap off. And to make it easier, wait till a really warm day, let it sit in the sun for a minute, and the stuff will pull right off. But when it's cold, it doesn't pull off very good. Assembling this, you throw this little frame together. Everything is pre-drilled for every sheet of metal. Every piece up here, all the screws that go into here, everything was pre-drilled. So you don't have to drill anything. And it makes assembly of this really easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and they give you a little wrench to hang onto the backside of those bolts, wherever there's bolts. But overall, really nice. I'm really impressed with it for just a nice 6-foot by 8-foot shed. I really like it. And the base around this also, they send stakes with it. So when you get it, we can stake it in each corner, which I'm going to, because it's not super thick metal, so it doesn't weigh a whole lot. And you know, a high windstorm could possibly take it, but stake it down, you know it's not going to go anywhere. So overall, if you're looking for a decent size small shed that is easy to assemble, I definitely recommend this one right here that we got from Amazon. It's just all around a good shed. Assembly is pretty easy for an all metal shed, and I would definitely recommend it if this is something that you're looking for.